Well, hello, and thanks for dropping in. So, many hours ago, I left this 128 doing its testing on the harness and the cartridge, and I figured that I should do that. Anyway, I remember, and you probably couldn't see it very well, that's why I moved in a bunch. There was weird stuff happening on the side of the screen. Anyway, I came back. It seems it only ran through 3 times. Maybe if I'd waited a little longer, I would have seen that something had gone squirrely. So there may indeed be something wrong with this machine. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to reach delicately up and press the reset button and see that over at the side there's definitely something happening. It almost looks like there was a program I have seen. It's called Visible 64. And it kind of puts things up to show you what's happening in memory. But I have never seen this happen using the diagnostic stuff. I have not. So I don't know if the machine is having difficulties or it's just an anomaly on the 64 side using the. Oh, there's the sound test. Interesting. Very interesting. Very mysterious. And I don't know why it's doing it. I did notice earlier that the screen definitely didn't look kind of as bright, and I haven't changed the settings on the monitor. But certainly this is interesting. So I'm figuring I'll let this run through one more time. Then maybe I will disconnect all of the diagnostic stuff and see if the machine comes to life or not. But this is strange. Interesting. All right, so I'm going to shut it off completely, and then maybe I'll just turn it on one more time. I'm being shut right off. And oh yeah, that stuff's still there. All right, even though I know I don't. Well, actually, the screen looks a little brighter right now, but it's still doing the weird stuff. So I'm going to shut this off, or take this, and I'm going to remove the diagnostics. Ooh, they are kind of stiff, especially the joystick, not the joystick, the cassette port thing. Oh, they're all kind of. Come on. Oh, the serial port one was also testing. All right, and then the user port. I'll take that out, and we'll set it aside. And just for fun, I'll turn it back on with just the cartridge in. Oh, we still have weird stuff coming up the side. Strange things flashing on the screen. So, I'll turn that off again. Yank out the cartridge. Maybe just for fun. I'll kind of reset it and put it back in. Just see if there's. Nope, we're still seeing weird things. Okay, never seen that before. So now, the machine is still sitting upright. I'll just turn it on. And there is 128 mode. And I'll press the Commodore key and the reset. There's 64 mode. Well, that is kind of baffling. Why was it doing that? Why did and it froze up? Like it didn't go and run this thing bunches and bunches and bunches and bunches of time. It just didn't. Anyway, I'm not at all sure. But I will ponder this, and if anybody has any suggestions, do let me know. Anyway, thanks for coming. We'll see you again soon. In the box room, David Bradley, signing off.